Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this one we're going to be doing a unboxing and first impressions slash review of this underhood rechargeable light by Neiko, I think is how you pronounce that. So this one is 1200 lumens, as you guys can see on the box right here. I have no experience with this brand or this light or any underhood light for that matter. There was two options that I was actually looking at. There was this one, and then there was the Milwaukee rechargeable one that just uses the M12 battery, I believe. That one was 1350 lumens and this one's 1200, but it was double the price. So I went with this brand to check it out, see if I like it. I can always return it if I decide it's not that great and go with the Milwaukee one, but I think this one will be just fine. So as you guys can see, my garage is pretty bright. You can see pretty well inside the engine bay. This will just be a little bit added light for little areas where the light's not making it right now. But I'm not only going to be using this for the engine bay, I'm going to be also using this for under the car and in other areas where there's very little light and it's hard to see. So this will be great. So the reason this was the choice that I went with is because on Amazon it's actually the #1 bought brand and the #1 recommended brand. It's got a lot of good reviews on it, so I trust that, and I'm going to go ahead and go with it and show you guys what I actually think about this myself. Let's get it out of the box, show you what comes inside the box, and let's slap it onto the hood, see what kind of light output we get. I already broke off the straps here, save some time. Let's get that out of the way. Okay, so let's just see here really quick. Piece of paper comes in the box, gives you guys the specifications of the light, the features on it. Give you guys a quick second to look this over. Pause the video if you guys are interested in this. Let's put all this to the side now. All right, so there's the light bar itself just right there. Let's just go ahead and open these boxes first and see what's inside. So here's some holders. Oh, these are probably the magnetic ones. So that's actually really cool. You can go ahead and put, I'm assuming, just put these two somewhere, and then you can just clip the bar and it'll hold it. So, you know, on the side of a car or just anywhere where you might need a light and there's metal nearby that you guys can just slap this onto. That's actually really neat. Awesome that it comes with that. What else we got in the box? And the charger. Perfect. Let's put this to the side as well. So the moment I have been waiting for, and maybe some of you guys as well. Let's go ahead and take this light out of here. So there we go. Here's the light. So that's what it looks like right there. Tons of LEDs. And the way that this works is this part extends on the sides, so you can clip it onto your hood pretty much like so. And this is actually upside down. There we go. And you can slide it around just like so. Let's get this box out of the way and let's turn it on. So it's nice that you guys can rotate this, and also this part spins as well, so you guys can see. So that's what it looks like when it's on the car, on the hood. You could put it anywhere on the hood that you would want. If you're working towards the back, you could aim it more that way. If you're working towards over here, obviously you could put it a little higher and aim it this way. So before I actually turn this light on for the first time and see what kind of light output there is, I want to take this off really quick, show you how easily this actually comes off. You just pull it down. And look at that. It becomes this nice and versatile light that you can put and bring anywhere that it fits. I think that is really nice looking. It's nice and sleek. It's not that big. You could put it under the car and get that light that you're looking for, which is really cool. So to turn this thing on, there's gonna be a power switch right here. It's got two different levels. It's got 1 and it's got 2. One of these should be brighter than the other one. And then coming to this other side, we have a charging port. Let's go ahead and put this back onto the hood and turn it on. We're gonna go ahead and just flip a random one. I don't know which mode that is. We're on number 2. I'm not sure if that's brighter or not. So that's number 1, number 2. Okay, so number 1 is definitely brighter. That is really nice. That's already given so much light. You guys can see. And obviously you guys can rotate this piece right here as you guys see fits, wherever you guys want the light to be. The thing I really like about having a long light like this is you can be working under here and it's not covering the light above. You're not getting that big shadow. You're blocking the light. It's getting dark again. You could basically work in front of the light and you got light everywhere. That's perfect. All right, I am gonna go ahead and turn off my garage lights now to show you guys how bright this really is, because the garage lights are also LED lights. So it's very nice and bright in my garage. I'm gonna go ahead and turn those off and then show you guys with just this light working how bright it really is. So here's the garage with absolutely no light on at all. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on just the light bar to the low setting. So at the low brightness setting, this is still pretty nice. It's not in your face, it's not too bright, and you can still see a lot of stuff. Let's go ahead and turn it up. And that is the high power setting. Definitely always going to be using the high power setting because it's a lot brighter. I love that. You can see so many nice areas. And if you can't see in a specific area, just move the light where you need to move it. But other than that, as my first impressions, this is a very nice product. I do highly recommend you guys go check it out. It looks really nice. It shines nice and bright. So let me really quickly remove this and show you guys some other cool uses for this light. So you don't have to have this light mounted anywhere. You can have it in your hands. That's why it's got these nice grips. If you need to get light into a certain area, you know, you're just trying to check something out, it lights up so much, which is awesome. The fact that it's nice and thin, you can definitely stick this into some certain areas that other lights are hard to put into. So as an example, you can even stick down the light into areas like so, if you're trying to see if there's any leaks or anything going on in your car. Pull it right out of there. So I'm also going to use this light under the car a lot because it's the area where it has the least amount of light. So it's going to be very handy and helpful for that. So from my first impression standpoint, you guys, I would say this is a really nice light. I would recommend it. Definitely I can see why Amazon recommends it. It is made out of some good quality material. It's metal, it's not plastic. It's nice and sleek. I like that it's all black. It's got some nice handles on it. 220 LEDs, nice and bright. It's not the cheapest product out there, but it's also not going to break your bank like the Milwaukee one that I was looking at, which was double the price and it was only 150 lumens brighter. This one is still rechargeable, so as long as it lasts me a long time, I would say this is a nice product. We'll come back and see here in a couple weeks, in a couple months, how this thing is doing because I am going to use it every single day. So we'll see how it holds up. Well, that's going to be it for this unboxing and first impressions of this light. I do hope you guys did enjoy it and it gave you guys a little insight on these underhood lights and maybe helped you guys make up your mind if you guys need one or want one. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, it really does mean a lot to me if you guys do hit that sub button, hit the like button as well. And in my next video, I'm actually going to be doing some Milwaukee tool reviews and unboxing. I got some M12 and some M18 tools, so those are going to be really nice. I'm excited. Never actually used them myself, but I heard so much good things about them. So if you guys are interested in seeing those videos, hit that notification bell and you guys won't miss them. But that's going to be it. So thank you guys so much for watching and you guys all have a fantastic day. See you in the next one.